What's up, guys? Welcome back to
Travel and fun.
yes. Today we are. It's still the winter is not yet over. We are slowly.
But we are nearing the spring.
Yes, we are
And
getting
we
closer
can
to.
see small little flowers coming up.
Yes, I think they're called daisies.
They
Yeah?
are daisies.
They're not daisies. Okay, the white ones are called daisies, I guess. Yeah. So we are at the Klampenborg Dyrehaven. Yes. So this is one of the oldest naturally reserved places in Denmark, and it's naturally it's a very big map you can see here. Yeah. This is the entry to the Dyrehaven. Actually, so there's a lot of parking space here, and there are multiple entries, but this is the most famous one with this red gate. It's also one spot. There's also a lot of history behind this, and I think it's number plate detection, so possibly, yeah. Yeah, so guys, this is the main gate of the Klampenborg Dyrehaven. You can see that's the Queen's logo there, Queen Margaret. So this is one of the places where they might have to change it because of the new king for Denmark. You can see it's from 1972. Welcome to Klampenborg Dyrehaven. So it's actually just besides the amusement park Bakken.
Inside Bakken.
Yeah. So guys, we were just reading the board out there, and this is actually very close. It's touching the boundaries with Bakken. And to tell you about Bakken, Bakken is the oldest amusement park in the world. Yeah, and all of yes, entry is free, but you might have to pay for rides. Yes, it's not like Tivoli where you have to pay for entry. Also, entry is free here, and everything in Bakken is made of wood. So because it's the oldest, yeah. And then just besides that is this Dyrehaven. Dyrehaven is a deer park. So basically it was a hunting ground previously, and later on it was converted into a deer park. So they are not pet deers here, they are all wild deers. They
so
kind of
supposed to feed them.
Yes, we are not supposed to feed the deer here like in other deer parks, because
but in Aarhus, I think you might have saw the video.
Yes. We also visited this deer park in Aarhus Anaka set where we could feed the deers. Yeah, but here it's not allowed. And they have almost around 200 to 300 varieties, kinds of deer, not kinds, 200 to 300 deer here.
Species of deers.
No, it's not species. It's 200 to 300, the number.
Okay.
Yeah. And they have two types of deer here. One is the red and one is the yellow fallow deer. So
I think this is a part of Bakken, no?
Yeah, this is part of Bakken, what you see here. That's circus tent. Yeah, circus tent. Yeah. But Bakken is closed now for winter. It will open again from March. All amusement parks in Denmark are like that. Yeah. So that's about the Dyrehaven. There are many places to see inside the Dyrehaven. A lot of places, you can see them in the map. And we'll let you know whenever we reach. It's a long walk. And
there's a Kudra walk also. See? Kudra.
Yeah. So we'll also try to capture some good drone shots if possible wherever it is. So yeah, let's explore the Dyrehaven. So this is all part of Bakken, you see. Yeah. Here you can see the roller coasters and stuff here.
Yeah, it's closed, but
yeah.
You can walk inside.
Yeah, you can walk in. Yeah, of course, because the entry is free, the rides are closed, so you can still walk in and see. But all the shops, everything is closed. Yeah. Wonderful. We'll do a separate video of Bakken, yeah, when we come here during summer.
Yeah. Summer or even spring when Bakken opens.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have much time.
Yes.
Still.
Yeah. lot of small cafes and eateries. I mean, there's a couple of them here in the beginning. They have a beautiful haystack kind of house here. It's a rest bar. It builds such nice ambiences. Yeah, it's called Hest Bar. Yeah, and you can see the ambience within. It's amazing. Cool. So you can also take the horse ride, as you see there. Yes, I think she's getting ready for a photo. Yeah. So what you see behind me is called Peter Leif's house. It is one of the attractions in the Dyrehaven here in Klampenborg. And the significance of this is that this Peter Leif, this guy, he is one of the oldest real shooters who was there at this Dyrehaven. And he started shooting and killing deers at the age of 20. And until the age of 51, when he became like 140 kgs and he could no more sneak over animals, he had killed almost 11,000 deers. That's a lot. Okay, and that's the significance of this house. It's a very good attraction. We'll put some clips down, and it's really good. It's a haystack house. It's wonderful.
And the weather is so nice today.
It's amazing. Yeah. Yeah, there are. You can see some deers already. You can already see them in the beginning. But what I wanted to say is that there are a lot of many stagnant water pools here, like these ones. So you should be very careful when you come out in the evening, because they could be breeding grounds for mosquitoes and stuff. Yeah. So we are still walking and we are heading to the next spot in Dyrehaven. So, what do you feel about this place, Da?
This place is so nice, and especially if it is a sunny day, it's very beautiful and it's nice. It's a calm place for you to come and spend your whole day here. You can maybe bring your mat and picnic setup so that you can sit and have your food and chill out for some time. So it's a nice place to come as a couple and to come with friends, both.
Super.
And it's kids friendly, pets friendly. So you can bring your kids, your pets. You can have a good time here.
Super. So we are now walking towards the main Dyrehaven, and there's a palace or castle in between. So we are very excited to see that place. So it's a very long road, if you see, and that's the front. And if you see behind, it's a very long road. It's actually a built-up trail. Yeah.
You can complete your 10,000 steps here.
Yeah, and even more. Yeah. So yeah, I think it's around maybe 1.5-2 kilometers or 3 kilometers. But if you walk more, of course, there's a lot to walk. But until the Dyrehaven, I think it's around 2.5 kilometers. That's what I feel. Great. And you can see there are many small trails that branch out from this main one. Yeah. Yes. You can take detours. Yeah. But it's a nice place to be. Amazing. And guys, this is one of the very few places in Denmark where you could see some kind of terrain, like some hills and slopes and everything. Otherwise, it's very flat, especially Copenhagen. And this place being just 20 minutes away from Copenhagen center, it's a beautiful place to be. I mean, I would suggest coming here during the summer, because all of this would be even more greener.
During the fall, it will be nice.
Yeah, also during the fall, yes. So all these trees, everything will be colorful, painted with golden, yellow, orange colors. So in this walk to the Dyrehaven, we have some time to talk. Yeah. So I'd like to ask you, one question that you are not prepared for. Okay. Tell me, so you have been in Denmark since now almost 3 years, yeah?
Yeah.
We're almost 3 years now. And one thing that you like about Denmark and one thing that you don't like about Denmark.
Okay. This was a quick question.
Yes.
One thing I like about Denmark is this place is very calm. Like less people, so it is not always crowded. And you have your space here. That's the main thing. And one thing I don't like in Denmark is we don't get a lot of Indian stuff, especially South Indian stuff.
I was about to guess this thing that she would say this. Of course, it's not like the UK or anything that you get a lot of Indian stuff because overall the population itself
You're
is very
getting
less.
the North Indian stuff, but not the
Yeah.
Keralite,
Yes.
Malus thing.
Yeah. So one thing is that overall the population itself is very less, and over that then the Indian population is even lesser. So that's the
Nowadays
reason.
it's growing actually.
Yeah, it's actually growing. There are a lot of
See
people coming.
People.
Coming in the IT sector and stuff. And Denmark has also opened the gates to these nursing professionals. So it's they have made it easier for them to come in. Yeah. So
And we are very soon posting a video like how to find your first job in Denmark.
yeah, and what's
With
the
those who have a career gap.
yes, and all the struggles that she has been through. So
And
stay tuned.
finally I have a job now.
Yes, amazing. So what you see behind me is called Eremitageslottet or Eremitage Castle. So which is on top of this hill called Eremitageslottet. Yeah, and it's a very old Baroque style castle that was built in 1734, 1736, and it's at a place where all these 5 roads to this place meet. It was basically the hunting ground for the king here, and this castle was built by Christian the Sixth. Beautiful place. We have done some drone shots here. Hope you guys enjoy it. So guys, what we just realized is that there are not a lot of deers.
Actually there are a lot of
Yeah,
deer,
there are.
But today we didn't see
Yeah, we
much
didn't
of
see a lot of them. Maybe they're hiding somewhere in the woods, but we didn't see a lot of them. So we are just walking away from that castle at whatever slot it was. Yeah, and we'll see. So we are taking another route back, and we'll see if we can see some deers here on this route. So of course there are many routes
It
that
was
will.
a nice walk.
Yeah, it was a nice walk, indeed. It was a nice walk. And we'll see if we find some deers on the way back. Evda? Yeah, we can see a herd there. It's in the distance. It's too far. But we have to reach back and
Before it's dark.
yeah, before it's dark.
It's not summer yet.
Yeah. So it will be dark soon. The sun is already setting, I guess. So, yeah, we're taking another route. That's what I was telling you. We are taking another route back, and it's a slight detour. So there are many routes that would lead up to this castle and back to the entrance.
There are 5 roads joining there in the castle.
Absolutely, and there are also many entrances and exits to this deer park. So you have to be careful. So you have to, if you know where you have parked your car and stuff, be mindful of that and
Else
take.
you'll have to take a long way back.
Yes, because there are no, you don't have any other options other than walking. Yeah, and there are no shortcuts. You have to take the trails. Yeah. So there's no fear of wild animals here. That's what I wanted to tell you. It's only deer that you can find here.
And a lot of pets.
Yeah, and a lot of pets and humans. Of course, we are animals. Yeah. So that's about this. So we'll let you know as we proceed further. We hope you're liking this video, and if you have not yet liked it, press that like button. That will encourage us to do more. Yeah. Yeah. So as we told you, we couldn't see a lot of deers.
We saw a few, but that was too far
Yes.
for us to capture.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But it was a very nice walk.
Yeah.
I guess we walked
And-
around 6-7 kilometers. I guess so, or
And
even
it
more
was a
than that.
very nice weather.
Yeah, the weather was also nice, but now it's very cold.
Yeah, now it's turning chilly.
Yeah. So if you want to come here, I would say that there's a train station nearby. It's called Jägersborg, Klampenborg, and the sea train comes here.
And I think there's also a bus stand inside.
Yeah. Yes, it's wheelchair accessible.
This
So
is the effect of learning Danish.
yeah. So if you come here during summer times, you can cover two things at one go. If you stay here somewhere, so you can see Bakken and you can go to the deerpark. So that's two things. So it was a nice walk for us. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and you saw what's in here, and hope it helps you out when you come here. So that was it for the video. We hope you liked it. You liked it. Yes.
So
Until
the
our next video.
It's bye from us.
Bye bye.